Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another hair video, and today I'm doing an aloe vera oil mix for hair growth. Now let's get started with this video. Today I'm going to be using about 3 aloe vera leaves, actually 2.5 because one of them I already used a few days ago. So the first thing I will do is to wash my aloe vera leaves, make sure they are all clean before I start using it. Then I'm going to cut my aloe vera leaves in small pieces. This will allow me to be able to extract the gel easily. If you enjoyed this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content, and why not share this video with your friend, family, or anyone you know. Some of the benefits of using aloe vera gel on our hair or on the scalp is that aloe vera gel reduces scalp inflammation, rejuvenate dry scalp and hair, stimulate healthy hair growth, and these are only few of the benefits that aloe vera gel can do on our hair. Now that I'm done extracting the aloe vera gel, I'm gonna blend it a little bit. I'm not gonna blend it too much because I'm not trying to make the aloe vera juice. I still want the gel form, so I'm just gonna blend it a little and making sure that I still have that gel form. Then I'm going to be using a strainer to separate any small pieces of aloe vera gel that might have not been blended very well, because trust me, you do not want any extra piece of aloe on your hair. Just trust me. Then I'm going to add olive oil. Olive oil reduces hair breakage, nourishes and conditions the hair, add moisture to our hair. I will also add some peppermint oil. Peppermint oil stimulates hair growth and prevent hair loss. Time to mix it up, and our aloe vera oil mix is ready. Now I'm gonna put this on my daughter's hair. I just took her hair out from some braids. Now I'm just gonna put it on her hair. This pre-poo is really good for her because she has really dry scalp. So the mixture of aloe vera and olive oil will help with her dry scalp, and the peppermint oil will help with hair growth. As I just mentioned, her hair just came out from some braids. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to apply this on her hair and let her sit with it for about 30 minutes or so. Sometimes I'm trying to push it for an hour. The more it stays on her hair, the more those good ingredients and those good vitamins will go into her hair and moisturize her hair, because she really needs a lot of moisture before I shampoo her hair. It's been over 30 minutes. Now I'm going to rinse her hair with a lot of water before I start my regular wash day routine. Thank you for watching this video. See you on our next video. Bye.